Today, we will teach you how to create glitch text effect in Wondershare Filmora. Hey everyone, welcome to Filmora MVP channel. Here we teach you editing tricks, filmmaking, and camera techniques. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification bell to get the latest updates. So let's get started. Before we start editing, click the download link in the description box. Click on the free download option. Now, a Filmora installer is downloaded automatically. Just double-click on it, agree with the terms, and here you go! Filmora started to download and install. Once it's installed, it'll start and run automatically. First of all, go to the titles. Drop the default title on track 2. Place the playhead at 1 second and 10th frame and reduce the text duration. Double-click on it to change the font to impact. Increase the size to 100 and enter your text. Also, increase text spacing by 5. Now copy the text and paste it on the same track and keep it 1 second long. Double-click on it and change your text. Again, copy it and paste on same and repeat the same process. Once you're done with all your text, go to My Media and take a snapshot of every text. Now, drag the first word snapshot on track 1 and reduce its duration. Double-click on the snapshot and increase the scale to 290%. Also, decrease the opacity to 7%. Right-click to copy effects. Now drop second word snapshot on track. Adjust the duration and paste effect. Do the same with the rest of the snapshots. Now we will use effects for that go-to effects and select film stock. Choose flicker and apply video seg effect on track 3 between first and second text, and keep effects 8 frames long. Adjust its position, copy effect, and paste it further on every text clip. Zoom in a bit on timeline. Now select Default in Effects category and paste Chaos 1 and apply it on track 4, just above the previous effect. Also, keep it 8 frames long. Double-click on it, increase frequency to 400, X position to 0.20, Y position to 0.70, Z position to 40, and deselect RGB separate. Copy effect and paste it further as we did before. Now go to Film Stock, select Glitch, drop Glitch Shape 1 on track 5. Reduce its duration. Let's copy and paste it further. Apply Glitch Dispersion on track 6. Decrease duration. Copy effect and paste it further. Now go to Flicker and apply Negative Flicker on track 7. Reduce effect duration, copy it, and paste it further. Now to see the final preview, click on Render Preview. That's it! Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, then give this video a thumbs up. Plus, subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon, but don't leave without sharing this video. And leave your comment below. Bye!